study an activity related with electrolysis and electrolytes. Electrolysis means the splitting of compounds into ions or the process of breaking down of compounds into their ions. And electrolytes are those substances which when dissolved into water they form ions and allow electric current pass through them. For that purpose we have taken 4 solutions in this beaker. The first solution in the first beaker is acidulated water, we can say. In the next beaker we have taken aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. In the third beaker we have taken zinc sulfate solution or aqueous solution of zinc sulfate, and in the fourth beaker we have taken aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Let us start the activity and let us see what will happen. Look at the bulb. Let us see, the bulb started to glow. Okay. Now if we increase the potential difference through the battery, we can see the glow of bulb, it becomes bright. So we can say acidulated water acts an electrolyte. That means electric current passes through the acidulated water, as when acid is mixed with water it forms H plus and SO4 minus ions. So formation of ions leads to the passing of current through the solution. Let us take another example, or let us keep this apparatus in the next beaker containing sodium hydroxide, and let us see whether sodium hydroxide solution is electrolyte or not. Now bulb is glowing, the glow of bulb has raised. It means that sodium hydroxide solution is also act as an electrolyte. Now let us keep this setup in the third beaker containing the solution of zinc sulfate, and let us observe what will happen. See, the bulb is glowing but the glow is very little. Now let us apply more potential difference. Now the glow of bulb has been increased. If we increase further potential difference, the glow of bulb again increased. Okay. So from this we can infer that zinc sulfate solution also act as an electrolyte. And now the fourth beaker containing the solution of copper sulfate. Let us see what will happen in this case. Now we are increasing potential difference. The bulb is glowing but the glow is very less. Now the glow has been increased. Okay. From all these activities or from this activity we can say that acidulated water is the best electrolyte as compared to other 3 solutions of zinc sulfate, copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide.